My evening wear I dedicated to all my brothers fighting a good fight, and to the woman who has taught me how to fight on my own, my mother. In greeting my suit pays homage to mental health awareness campaign. I lend my voice and my experiences to these, and I stand in solidarity with all my brothers fighting their own battle. I stand with you. I stand up for you. I stand up because I am just like you. The pink is a dedication to me, the woman who made me who I am today, the woman who has never given up on me, the woman who has shown me what true love and shameful trust. This is my thank you to you, and I wish you and all the mothers out there are very happy and very blessed Mother's Day. The prints of my shoe are a blend of patterns from across Oceania, and the rosemary by lapel are a tribute to all our Indigenous brothers who have fought in wars so that we might be free. My shoot is a call out to all peoples of Oceania. Just as the patterns of my clothes bend together to tell a story, so must we. We must all stand together and tell the story that we share. Inaka.
Contestant number 2 from Tokelau, ladies and gentlemen, Dion Baker. Contestant number 3 from Samoa, Pigeon Winchester. Yeah, next up, contestant number 4. We're going back to Samoa with your next contestant, Winston Masoinalo. next contestant, number 6 from Rarotonga, we're going to Tino Lang. Contestant is from Samoa. Give it up to contestant number 9, Jason Peseta.
Sponsored by Dental. This is your contestant number 9, Jason Peseta.
Ending us off tonight, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 10, Shannon Kalaka.
Contestant
to say. Okay. Ready? Should be proud of yourself tonight. You ready for your question? Your question is, if you are to win Mr. Polynesia Pacifica, Australia, you will be the ambassador for Mana Foundation. What are your first plans of attack as the ambassador?
If I win Mr. Polynesia, I will go to the youth and the schools and do workshops just to let everyone know that if you're not alone in this battle, we'll be there for you. We're not alone.
Thank you so much, Peter. Give it up for contestant number 1. Okay, contestant number 2, Dion Baker, please step up over here. Representing the beautiful island of Tokelau. Once again, you know the drill, it's so easy, just pick anyone. And Mommy Chucks will ask you the question.
Your question for tonight. If you had to invite one person to a Mana event, who will it be and why?
Probably invite my mother to this event. She's not only she's played a big role in my life, but also my father, who's been able to make it here for New Zealand. My mum she's like a hero to me. She actually gave up her career in Australia to move back to New Zealand to look after her parents. She dropped everything and decided to make the move. Love you too. But yeah, she's taught me a lot of values and things that I still uphold today. And I think the person that I am really reflects herself, and not only her, but my father. So, yeah, I wish she was here with my dad.
Contestant number 2, Dion Baker.
Thank you so much for that, Dion. Contestant number 3, representing Samoa.
A lot of fans here tonight, eh?
Yeah,
Is that your whole fun? Is that your whole church?
Also going straight to the break, so choose one.
Okay, your question for tonight is, name 3 foundations that raise awareness for mental health for men, and which one would you choose? I can repeat it for you, brother. Name 3 foundations that raise awareness for mental health for men, and which one would you choose?
Thank you for the question. To be honest, any one foundation I can think of is Living, but the other 2 I wouldn't just blank right now. But one foundation I would suggest and I would promote is the Mana Foundation. That's what we're here for. We're here to make a change. We're here to bring awareness and our PI people need help, and we're here to help them out. And so that's the foundation I would choose. Thank you very much. Thank
you very much, Brendan.
Alright, contestant number 4, please stand up over here. Welcome to the stage all the way from Samoa. Please put your hands together for Winston Masugalo.
Hey brother, your question for tonight is, how important is raising awareness for mental health among Pacific Island and Indigenous men to you, and why?
Okay. I'm a father of 4. I've got 4 beautiful children, and with this cause, raising awareness for our Polynesian men and Indigenous men is very, very important, because I want my kids to grow up knowing they can speak to somebody, there's somebody out there they can talk to, they listen to them, and that way we can all work together and make this a really good thing.
Thank you, contestant number 4.
Awesome. Thank you, contestant number 4, Winston. Contestant number 5.
Australia, and why?
To be quite honest with you, I feel like I'm ready. I know I'm young, but I know. Just on experience, just to give you a long story short, 3 years as a rugby league background, I know our people are very stubborn. Sorry, I'm just not to disrespect anybody. Like, I feel like our people's very stubborn, and I feel like I've got the spirit in me to show you that there is that you got help for our people, and I just feel like even though I'm young, I got like a rugby background, and also having like just having like a church background, I feel like I can have the attraction of our people to come and see and feel comfortable around us, so we can tell them that mental health does exist and depression does hurt, but just to let you know we're here for a reason and I got you.
Awesome, thank you George Lolo. Contestant number 6, please step up. Tinorangi, representing Rarotonga.
The question for tonight is, what is your ideal vision to make Mana Foundation a global success to help our Pacific Island and Indigenous brothers?
Thanks. I like to stay active, so I'd like to do it through fitness and exercise. I won't have to say much, but I can do a lot through that. And that would be my biggest exposure towards men's fitness and spreading awareness. Thank you.
Good afternoon, contestant number 6, Tinorangi.
Contestant number 7, representing Aotearoa, please step up. Give it up for Jay Tito.
The question for tonight, how would you help someone deal with mental health issues among Pacific Island and Indigenous communities?
Firstly, I just want to say thank you to Rock Productions for this night. And thank you for everyone coming up, supporting us and the movement.
So your question for tonight was, how would you help someone dealing with mental health issues among the Pacific Island and Indigenous community?
Treat them with love, respect and honour. And know that everything is shared with them, the friend us, the problem. I myself I myself suffer from mental health and depression. This is why this movement means so much to me. I love them, treat them like family. And keep it true and humble with them. Hide no secrets from them. Keep everything between us. And building the bond as family.
That was the contestant number 7, James Tito.
Thank you, Jay. Okay, contestant number 8, representing the Kingdom of Tonga. Give it up for Oscar Maleko.
Question, brother, is what would you advise families and friends when dealing with someone that suffers from mental health illness? What would you advise families and friends when dealing with someone that suffers from mental health illness?
To tell you the truth, I'll just try and provide support, just to make sure that they've got someone to listen to. And obviously it's a major issue in society today, but I think the main thing is just to listen and to provide support. So I think this should be an answer. Yeah, so thanks everyone.
Thank you, Oscar. Contestant number 9, representing Samoa. Give it up for Jason.
question for tonight. What causes mental illness? What causes mental illness? And can you name 3 signs, symptoms to be aware of?
That's a very good question. So the 3 signs of mental awareness would be, there's plenty, but like the first ones would be a person just feels a little bit isolated, so they'll tend to go in their shell. They'll tend to hold back their feelings and they'll exclude themselves from groups and all the rest of it. Other signs of mental health is one of the other main reasons of is we've got financial problems is a big one in relationships. So these two things go together. So it's say if you lose your job, and then that rolls over to your relationship problems and all the rest of it. But if you can kind of identify that early, and like I said, all you have to do is just reach out and just ask for support.
Thank you, Jason. And last but not least, contestant number 10, Shannon Parker, representing New Zealand.
The question for tonight is, why do you stand for mental health awareness for Pacific Island and Indigenous men? Why?
I stand for Pacific Islander and Indigenous men because our people need it. They are suffering at the moment, and not enough is being done in this area in regards to awareness and education. We need to set up a foundation and a framework for these people to go to so we don't lose any more brothers and sisters to go to illness. Tonight, we launched Mana Foundation a couple of months ago, and the message that I want you to all take home tonight is Mana Foundation is available for anyone that you know that is suffering from mental illness. We've set up a framework for them. So hit us up, you're all ambassadors now, fight for the cause. Thank you.